Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. And I'm sitting in my Tesla, and the reason is I'm doing an update video on my Tesla full self-drive fail video that I brought a couple months ago. Go check it out. So I will leave in just a second and we'll check if this software has any improvements over the old one that I called the fail in my video, and we'll talk about it on the road. So I got a lot of heat over the fact that I didn't mention the software version, and so for all the people that told me I should have done that, here's the software version. You see it? So there's the software version right now in the camera, and I hope you saw that. You know, it says V12.3.6. so full self-drive supervised software. All right, that's what it is, and we'll discuss this when we're on the road. I'll just back out of the garage now and I'll see you in just a moment on the road. Alright guys, here we are driving. Wonderful day today. Sadly very high temperatures, over 100 degrees for Riga already. So it's 91 right now, so I guess I'm lucky. Full self-drive, what are my thoughts? I had the trial version and I bought it twice for a month to try it out and for some trips with it as a family, and I have to say this version right now is probably the best I have seen so far. So the problems that I had before don't seem to happen anymore or as often anymore. I think full self-drive stays more on the lane it's supposed to stay, like on the right lane, versus always going on the left lane, which is done for a while, especially on the freeway. It still tries to zoom in the HOV lane even if you go slow, which does not make sense, you know, because you look like an idiot. You go on the HOV lane going under the limit. Not that I want to do that, but I tested it to see what it does, and of course I didn't do it for a long time. I hate upsetting people. It still keeps nagging you all the time to touch the steering wheel. Even I stare forward and there's a camera there, it still does that. Right now it does it. Maybe it notices that I have a camera in my hand. Who knows? It's so hard to know with all that stuff. But there is a lot of improvement, and so props to Tesla for the improvement. I think it's a good system. Sometimes when there's construction it still gets confused, or sometimes when you don't have an address typed in and it goes on nav, it gets confused at some point and it doesn't want to know if it just goes straight or turn or straight or turn. And here comes another thing that's really interesting. I mean, I think I have it set to drive 5% faster than the speed limit. I'm not sure though, but now it keeps going on automatic maximum speed, and now look at this. The sign says 45 speed limit right here. Let's see if we slow down. 45. It recognized the 45 because it says it right here, and we're going 57. Why is that? And it says speed max, and 57 is definitely more than 5% over. So now the truck is slower. They're probably thinking, why is the guy speeding there, camera in his hand? But I'm doing that for the videos. Normally I slow the car down myself. Now it's a 53. Because full self-drive, I mean, it's supervised. I know that, you know, I'm not that dumb. I know that supervised means I can control it. But still, it's made to drive by itself, and it should control the speed better than this, as well as everything else. So weird thing, not a big deal, but weird observation. Yeah, here comes the sign 55. Let's see what we're doing. 55. We have 55 on here. And look at that, we're not accelerating much. There comes the truck. not accelerating very much. We're still going 53 and it's 55 with 5% over. We should go a lot faster than 55, so we are not. So well, I don't understand that, but yeah, please don't hate me here. Just a normal guy trying full self-drive and talking about observations I have. There's the truck again. Yeah, we're going 53. Well, the truck drives probably 60 now. Or 54. Anyways, yeah, so that video I attracted a lot of people that either love Tesla and were really upset that I didn't have the exact details, or I had your typical Tesla hater who said, see, that's all crap and it's really bad car, bad system, don't trust it, don't do it. Interesting experience. I won't talk too long. We'll get to the same spot where the car pulled on the shoulder because it thought the right turn lane was a straight lane. We'll get to the same spot soon and we'll see what it does this time. So turn the camera off for a moment until we get closer and I'll be right back. Okay, and we are approaching soon. Let me look. It was right here. It was right here. See, we're going straight. The car does not pull in the right turn lane. So perfect. Thank you, Tesla, for fixing that. And here's another one. It did this one too. Yeah, no more problem with that. We're going straight the way we're supposed to. Before, whenever there was a turn lane like this without an arrow, it would try to zoom in there, and then when you didn't do anything, it overreacted and went over the shoulder with all the gravel and came back out. I mean, dangerous situation. And like I said, I'm not completely stupid. I know that I could have taken the wheel and move it back in the lane or hit the brakes. I know all that, but since it's full self-drive and we were told that it would drive by itself, so I thought I would try it, but just like a normal person. And then just like a normal person, you know, who says that I'm a good driver? I could be a driver that's scared to drive, or just drives really bad, or the weather is bad, or there's fog or snow or rain. So you could get startled and could have an accident. So it is not that silly to say. That was the whole point of the video, and I'm very sorry some of you guys didn't get that. But yeah, one thing, you can always share your opinion in my comments. I don't mind. You can even disagree with me. I don't mind at all. But if you're rude or just say Tesla is complete trash, or you're an idiot, then I'll have to tell you I won't even waste my time with you to discuss it. So I'll just leave your comment as is, and you won't get a reply. Everything else, I'm always up for discussion and to talk, and I do hope you enjoyed this video, this update. And yeah, I'm on my way home now. It is Sunday today. This video will probably come out on Wednesday. And yeah, let's see, traffic here, nobody's coming. And yeah, I just wish you a nice evening, and I hope to see you soon on my channel. Have a good evening, everybody. And I'll turn my full self-drive on, so I'll go slow. Look at that, 51, should go up to at least almost 60 now. And yeah, have a good evening. Talk to you soon, and please subscribe and like.